So I'm going to show you how to customize the control center on the Apple Watch SE3. So the control center is accessed by pressing this control center button, this one right here. And so if you scroll to the bottom of that control center, you will see the option edit, tap on it, and then now you're in edit mode. Now in edit mode, you can move icons around, so you can arrange these icons exactly the way you want them. Okay, and then you can go ahead and remove some of the icons you don't want. So for instance, if you want to remove this walkie-talkie icon, you can go ahead and remove it. All right, so for instance, I can remove that tapping on this red icon, and it gets removed. Now once you're done editing, just tap on done, and that's gonna finish editing or customizing the control center. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you have any comments or questions, you can talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.